What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you how you can save money with vegetables. So the first and foremost thing that most people say, and I too will say it too, is grow from seed. Transplants this year were $5 at Lowe's and Home Depot and even Walmart. They were $5, but a whole packet of seeds costs maybe $2, maybe $3 at the most. For things like tomatoes and whatnot. So just keep an eye, grow from seed. I will eventually be getting a comprehensive guide on growing from seed down in the winter time, so I hope you subscribe to see that as well. But growing from seed, it's not that hard. Grow it inside, put it in a sunny window even, or if not, just get a LED light. If you've seen my grow light video, which is pretty popular, just get a grow light, grow under some lights. And that's really all you need to do. The only exception to this rule would be peppers, because peppers grow super slow, and you can buy them from the store if you absolutely need to, which I did buy this one right here, so I'm proving by example that you don't have to start everything by seed. But the ones you must start by seed is really the zucchinis, the peppers, the melons. These are all super fast growers. So you don't really need to worry about buying plants. If you buy the plants, they're already this tall and they'll already grow if you put a seed. Because if you put a seed in at the same time a plant in, generally the seed will perform better because there's no transplant shock. It's already setting its roots down into the ground. Another thing that you want to keep in mind with vegetables is you want to select the right ones for your area and where you be planting them. Because if you'll be planting them in the wrong spot, then they'll die and you'll just be kind of a waste of money. You want a full sun selection for most of your plants. Like the zucchini, they need full sun. Melons need full sun. Peppers need full sun. Tomatoes, except for the cherry types, need full sun. You can get away with putting cherries in part shade, or at minimum 5 hours of sun for cherry tomatoes. But just putting them in the right spot, knowing what you're getting. Also, if you make a mistake like this right here with this plant, this Minnesota midget, it had 2 fruit and they both rotted at the size of not even tennis balls. So that is another thing. Learn from your mistakes. I am never going to be growing this Minnesota midget melon ever again. I'll go through that within a different video. Plants I'm never going to grow again. But just seeing, don't waste your time, effort, money, patience in waiting for plants that never come to fruition. So that would be tip, kind of like 2.5 or so. And really kind of tip number 3 is don't fret. If you have space in your raised beds, in your vegetable gardens, some space is normal, some space is needed even. Start small with your vegetables. You don't want to overload yourself, because that's just as bad as spending too much money or worrying about the effort to fill everything up. Now, if you follow a more sophisticated system like square foot gardening, which I am sort of hybridizing here, then go ahead, by all means. If you want to do that, divide your raised bed into multiple sections, and you'll have hopefully a successful garden. Just grow the right crops for your area and for the location it is in. So I hope you liked this video and got some tips, hopefully some tricks too, just continuing reminders for your garden, vegetable gardening. And I will be going into the second part of this series next time, which will be flowers, so budget gardening and flowers. So I hope you subscribe and comment down below, like this video too, so you're able to see the next part in this series.